Namaste. This is Batin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, we discussing about a high energy and compound and the ATP as universal energy current. Okay, so now we talk about high energy compound, also known as energy reaching compound. Compound in biology system which is hydrolyzed in the free energy equal to or greater than ATP. It's called del G. Is minus 70.3 kilocalorie per mole. The compound that is yield the energy less than minus 3 kilocalorie per mole called low energy compound. Okay, so how to differentiate higher energy and lower energy? It's more than or greater than 7.3 kilocalorie per mole. Compound that is the less than 7.3 kilocalorie per mole is called low energy compound. How to differentiate? Higher energy is called 7.3 kilocalorie and lower energy is 7.3 less than 7.3 is called low energy compound. Okay, now we here is most of the higher energy compound containing phosphoride group. How to say that this is the higher energy and lower energy compound? Most of the higher energy compound contain phosphate group except acetyl CoA. You say that when you some higher energy compound have a phosphate group, you say that it's a higher energy compound except acetyl CoA. Hence, they are the called higher energy phosphate. The bond is highly energy. The bond is high energy compound, which yield the energy upon hydrolysis called high energy bond. How to say that? The bond in the higher energy compound, which yield the higher upon hydrolysis. It's happen hydrolysis and higher energy is produced, and by the hydrolysis called higher energy bond. The bond are noted by the symbol squeezer. SQUIGGLE squeezer. This is a process of like this is the like I group. This is a symbol. Okay. What is the free energy? The free energy is actually available to the do that work is called free energy. Change in free energy donated by the G. The energy that is actually available to do work. If you have energy, it doesn't work. It's not to say that this is the energy. Okay, but energy actually available to do the work called free energy. Change in the free energy is donate. Like changes in the free donate is just donate the energy. This is the free energy. Say that delta G. It's also called gives free energy. Okay, when I donate the something del G, it's meaning that it's also known as gives free energy for the endogenic reaction. Endogenic reaction is denote del G will be positive. For the exogenic reaction, del G will call negative G. It's called EXERGONIC. Exogenic reaction. Del G is called del negative EV electrovolt. So electrovolt like divided by del G will be minus negative electrovolt. Okay. Then we come in here classification of higher energy compound. Higher energy compounds are mainly classified into 5 groups: pyrophosphates, enol phosphates, acyl phosphate, thiol phosphate, guanido phosphate, or phosphonase. Okay. The energy bond is pyrophosphate are acid anhydride bond. The bond are formed by the considered as an acidic group. mainly phosphoric acid is derivative. Example for pyrophosphate is ATP. It's a bond of adenosine triphosphate called as a pyrophosphate. ATP has been two higher energy diphosphate bond and phosphoenol anhydride bond. What do you say that? Phosphoenol pyruvate bond. Phosphoenol pyruvate bond. ATP, what is this? Say the ATP full form? Adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Somehow phosphoanhydride bond is called phosphoenol pyruvate bond. Is say that phosphoenol because of diphosphate bond. Now the bond is present here by enol phosphate bond. The formation when the phosphate group attached with hydroxide group, which is the bond to the carbon atom having dual bond. Example, phosphoenol pyruvate bond. Like you have a C bond with attached with CO minus and with CH2 and bond with O with phosphate. It's one of the phosphate which causes for higher energy bonding. Okay. Now we discuss about the pyrophosphate group. Okay, pyrophosphate group. The higher energy pyrophosphate group is anhydrous bond. This is the bond is formation of considered acidic group derivative. The example of phosphoryl pyrophosphate group is ATP. Okay. Now we come to discussion about enol phosphate. Okay, the bond is present here by enol phosphate group. It is the form when the phosphate group are attached to the hydroxy group, which is bonded in the carbon attached having the dual bond. For example, phosphoenolic pyruvate. It's have a one of carbon. Upper position is CO minus and down position double bond with CH2, and in the side O and phosphate group. This is a phosphate group which is called higher energy compound. Acetyl phosphate. Okay, the example for the acetyl phosphate 1,3 biphosphate glycerate. The higher energy bond is compound is formed by the reaction between the carboxyl group and the phosphate group. Is that 1 and 2 and 3 carbon group and with OP3 and bond with O and with bond with one is position H and other position is OH and is downward of oxide is CH2O PO3. Okay. Thiol phosphate group. The hereby energy phosphate bond is absent. Instantly higher energy thiol bond are present. Thiol bond is result from the reaction between the thiol and carboxyl acid group. Example, acetyl CoA. Like you say that acetyl CoA in here, one carbon bond in middle position with attached with double bond with O and other OC is attached with H3C and bond with other position is in right side SCOA. Okay, this is a thiol phosphate group because of higher energy phosphate bond is absent. Okay, higher energy phosphate bond is absent. Instantly higher energy thiol bond is present. The thiol bond result is reaction between the thiol and carboxylic acid group. Example, I'm saying that acetyl CoA. Guanidine phosphate group is also a phosphogenic and the bond between the bond known as guanine phosphate group. The formation by the attach of phosphate group to the guanidine group. Most of the important compound with this bond is phosphocreatinine. Phosphocreatinine. Okay, phosphocreatinine group is present by the one of the carbon bond is C and CH2 with CO3 or COH is attached with the NH group is attached with the CH3 and C group attached with the NH. And other compound phosphate group with attached with NH and OH. And in down position O and other position is in the left OH position. Okay, you see that this is the main of phosphate group in here. It is a higher energy group is like attached with NH2, OH, and O, and it's a break down this bond and produce a lots of higher energy. Okay. Now type of higher energy compound, like pyrophosphate. Pyrophosphate C is group attached with 2 phosphate. You see that in here, pyrophosphate C it attached with 2 compound. One is 2 phosphate. So of ATP and pyrophosphate, it is an example of pyrophosphate group. Okay. Then acyl phosphate. Okay. C is attached with O and C is attached with O in right position with attached with phosphate group. Is example like 1,3-bis phosphate, bis phosphoglycerate, and other one carboxyl phosphate. Okay, this is the bond which one of phosphate with oxygen with attached it acyl phosphate group. Okay, enolic phosphate group, you see that is short from PEP. Okay, it's a CO and with bond attached with P and bonded with CH. Okay. Now thiol ester or thiostar group. It's a example of acetyl CoA and acyl CoA. Okay, this is the 2 example thioacyl group. Why we say that thio as star group? Thio is called denote the S group. S group which attached with CH2O. Okay, this is the bonding with double bond with C, and single bond of O with O is bond attached with higher energy group is S, is thio. It's called the thio group. We know that in organic chemistry in C S group, when you donate any kind of S group is called the thio. Okay, the guanido phosphate. Guanidophosphates is donate the NP. Like ठीक है one ठीक है. This is the NH group N with attached with P. It's called example phospho PHO phosphor creatinine. Phosphocreatinine. It's an example of guanidophosphates. Okay. Now we high energy compound and the free energy release. Okay. The phosphoenol pyruvate, it's a 14.8. It is one of the higher products, higher energy produce, mainly 14.8. It's a 14.8 phosphoenol pyruvate. Carboxyl phosphate, it's a 12.3. Cyclic AMP is 12.0. 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate, it 11.8. Phosphocreatinine is 10.3. Acyl phosphate is 10.3. Pyrophosphate 8.0. Acetyl CoA is 7.7, and ATP plus ADP plus produce the PI is 7.3. ATP universal energy currency. The ATP is the most important higher energy compound in the living organism. Okay, it is the content adenine group, a ribose sugar, a triphosphate. Triphosphate is considered as a higher energy compound because of presence of 2 phosphate anhydride group. Hydrolysis of terminal phosphate group is the higher energy negative energy, like -7 point, like not -7 is not saying the minus, it's a that is the 7.3 kilocalorie per mole. Okay, the ATP act as a link between the carboxyl and anabolic androgenous reaction. Carbonic reaction has given the energy in the form of ATP. Anabolic reaction is utilize the energy through the hydrolysis of ATP. The transfer of phosphoryl group from the higher energy compound to less energy compound. In the adenosine triphosphate, it is see the structure I given to you in your slide. It's a higher energy group. It's a, you say that 1, 2, 3 is called triphosphate. It's the most energy consumed. Like breakdown one phosphate group is produce a higher energy. It's having three energy phosphate. So it's a more energy have in this area. In this area is breakdown is produce the higher energy group. Okay, higher energy. Okay. Hydrolysis of ATP, adenosine. It's an adenosine group with triphosphate. It's a three phosphate present in this group, and hydrolysis and produce the ADP, adenosine diphosphate, to the produce one PI. Why this adenosine say the why ADP? It's break down the one phosphate group. Then it say that adenosine diphosphate, not a adenosine triphosphate. Why we say that adenosine diphosphate? Because of breakdown of one bond and produce a 7.3 kilocalorie energy. Then we say that adenosine diphosphate or produce one phosphate group is break down the bond. So produce the ADP, adenosine diphosphate, not a adenosine triphosphate, because of breakdown of one single bond. That's why it's converted to the adenosine triphosphate to the adenosine diphosphate. Okay, and with PI are produced is called that adenosine diphosphate. Just remember it just is called adenosine diphosphate because of breakdown of ATP. ATP is breakdown, then is converted to the breakdown of lots of energy because of breakdown one bond in this higher position of the adenosine diphosphate to convert it to the adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate convert to the adenosine diphosphate and produce of phosphate group. It says donate the PI. Okay. Now in here, adenosine triphosphate is hydrolyzed one more time and the produce the adenosine diphosphate. You see this reaction. This is the blue color. You near the blue color and due to blue color bond and with pink the pink color bond with attached with phosphate group 1, 2, and 3 phosphate group and 1, 2, 3 and phosphate group. When are hydrolyzed, adenosine triphosphate hydrolyzed in this area and produce a with the, this is the position of blue color 2 of group adenosine. This is the adenosine group. This is a blue color, the adenosine blue color, pink color with attached with two of phosphate group and breakdown of one of phosphate group and produce a lots of energy and it's converted to the for adenosine diphosphate. Okay. Now, thank you so much for hearing.